high-efficiency double-sided boring and milling machine for large parts. With a 6,000-1,000 mm table and 5,200 mm boring capacity, it handles large parts with ease. Dual 22 kilowatts spindles deliver 560 Nm torque for heavy-duty cutting. 30 to 6,000 revolutions per minute speed range and axis swing 0 to 90 down, 0 minus 20 up ensure versatility for complex machining. Volumetric oil pump ensures continuous lubrication, while KND control delivers micron-level precision. Cut boundaries, raise standards, where precision meets productivity. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.